detail we want to a category, we can format it further so it's easier for us to understand. Let's click on the category and add a display. You can see I have my different costs and fees here broken out under my construction estimate, which is really turning into my capital estimate. So let's say capital expenditure. Change the name. Now let's add a chart. In this chart, we will make a pie chart. I want it to include everything, and I want it to show the total. I could also have it include the percentages. That's not a bad idea. So now when I hit save, you'll notice that we've included a pie graph here on the right hand side around our different costs, and as I hover over each of them, it highlights what features they reference. However, what if we wanted to consider these two options side by side? Instead of having it as one project, what if we were to consider it as two options on one project? Well, we can do so by storing them on different drawing layers. I'm going to add a new drawing layer called Scenario 2 and assign the build form on these two objects from the default drawing layer to Scenario 2. When I do that, you'll notice that my areas by layer updates, but my analytics is still considering it as one individual item. So if I hit Configure, Settings, I can actually split analytics out to consider scenarios side by side or phasing side by side. However you want to use these layers, you can. And when I do so, the graph also updates, and you can see the different ratios of construction costs with my different scenarios.